Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all fine. It's Monday, the 27th of March, 2023, and I'm here to bring Southeast England's weather for the next 24 hours. Well, it is quite a chilly one out there this morning, perhaps not as cold as I was expecting. There is a little bit of patchy cloud around, but nevertheless, it is cold, it is chilly, and I think, excuse me, many of us will be scraping our cars this morning. So just have a little look around the temperatures at the moment. Here in Folkestone, down near the southeast coast, I'm actually one of the coldest locations, zero point 0.7, and it's frosty. 2.5 over Aylesford near Maidstone, 2.0 at Hassocks, Henley on Thames, you're running at 2.2, Slough in Berkshire 2.9, Aylesbury in Bucks 2.3, and down towards London, the heat island effect keeping you warmer there at 4.7. Now, I've had a little look at some weather stations locally. This is from Mepham Weather, thanks to Bruce, and there are some chilly temperatures out there. One or two stations have dipped below zero in the last hour or so. I noticed Mepham on the Shipley Hills at a minus zero point 0.4 and Cooling at minus zero point 0.1. But yeah, it is cold. It is a patchy frost, but it's not quite as cold as it could potentially have been. So that's one positive. Outside at the moment, just having a quick look around the cams. The sun is rising, the sky is clear, the traffic isn't too bad on the roads. These are around the M25, M26 junction. So the sun is out, but you will see that there is some patchy cloud around. And I think this has been responsible for just keeping those temperatures a little bit above zero. So if we take a look at the satellite at the moment, there is some patchy cloud out towards the west, and there is rather a lot of patchy cloud also coming down across parts of Essex and Suffolk as well. But there is a clear slot, as we can notice over here in Kent and over here in Folkestone. There's no surprise why those skies have stayed clearer and temperatures have dipped, and there has been a frost. Now I'm just taking a quick look at the radar as well, and there's also, it looks a bit like there's been some showers around, more especially towards the southwest of the UK, more over towards Wiltshire, and one or two showers have crept down towards the east coast as well, coming into Suffolk. But I think we're having a dry day today. What I'm going to do is I'm now just going to run through the icon, how they wish to play it out today. Very straightforward. So we start today dry, fine, sunny, variable amounts of cloud, and that's the way it stays. This is at midday, and yeah, it's just a fine, pleasant early spring day. But towards the end of the day, you will see that there is the next rain bearing front pushing in from the southwest, and this is what we wake up to in the morning. Perhaps a few light, patchy bits of rain and drizzle, but that'll be covered in tomorrow's forecast. Worth mentioning that it will be cold for a time this evening, and there is a frost risk, but not for everywhere. So this is the way the symbols are playing out. 10 o'clock this morning, unbroken sunshine, patchy cloud to the southwest of us. By this afternoon, the cloud would have developed somewhat, but there'll still be some sunny spells around. So a sunny morning, patchy cloud this afternoon. Your winds today coming down from the northwest at around about a force 2 or less, so no problems, a very pleasant day. No wind to speak of. Maximum temperatures today, 9, possibly 10 degrees over towards London. And overnight, those temperatures will fall away, particularly to the northeast of London and over parts of the Essex, parts of East Kent as well, with just the risk of an early frost before that cloud comes in. So that's it in summary. I hope you've all found the forecast useful today. I'll be back tomorrow. But in the meantime, all have a lovely day. Look after yourselves and ciao for now.